Hello. So today in this lab, we're gonna learn uh, using the command IP host. We need. Uh, we're going to use this to ping another router using the host name instead of the IP address. Now, to begin with, we're gonna log into our router. Okay, enter password. Go to enable mode. Password, and let's see if we have a connection to our router 2 first. So we're gonna try ping 172.17.0-.2. Okay, so it should be successful, right? So that means we have a successful connection with the second router. So same thing, ping. We're gonna ping this the gigabit connection. Ping 172.18.0.1. Okay, so it's successful. Now, sometimes we forget the IP address, so that's why we want to use the host name. Host name, it can be name anything that easy to remember. For example, in our case, we're gonna configure the switch or the router to rename the IP address or use the host name. So now ping using the IP host command. So R2 dash serial. This is the one here. We wanna put that IP address. So if you hit question mark here, it will ask for IP address. So we wanna put that IP address here, the serial port 172.17.0.2. Same thing here on our gigabit port. So IP host R2-10. So 172.18.0.1. So exit. So now if you want to ping using the host name, it should be successful. R2-serial. Good. Success. As you see over here. Same thing here. Ping R2-LA. Yep. So here's also the another command that show you the list of the hosts that are configured in this router. So to view that, show host. So this is the one that we just did, and along with it, it has the IP addresses. So you can also use this host name if you wanna try to telnet to the second router. R2-serial. Go. So it asks for password, and as you see, it changes the name here, R2. So we are connected to the router 2. We're gonna exit that. So vice versa, if you wanna do the same thing here on the router 2, we'll do it. And enable mode and configure input password and configure terminal. So IP. So before that, we want to confirm if we're getting a connection to R1. So that's it. We're gonna ping that IP address first. Ping 172.17.0.1. Successful rate. So ping 172.16.0.1. Okay, success. So let's configure our hostname. So config team IP host R1 serial, and the IP address of the serial port here, so it's 172.17.0.1. Same thing on the other one, IP host R1 as LAN 172.16.0.1. So that's it. So I'm gonna show host. It should be recorded to our router now. Yeah, so r1-lan successful being r1-serial. Oh, wrong spelling. Okay, so show telnet r1-lan. Okay, and we have a successful connection to the router. And that's the end of our tutorial here. I hope you like it and subscribe to it if you want more videos.